Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of Easter's most popular pieces of candy, and that is a marshmallow peep. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the beak and head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve. It's going to curve up and then down like this. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve down, and then I'm going to kind of curve it in a little bit for the body. Now, I'm going to start up here and we're going to finish off the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down a little bit more, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it back like this. Then I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and it's going to curve out, and then it's going to come back in. Next, starting right here, we're going to make the bottom of it. So I'm going to just start here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this, and it's going to go up. And then I'm just going to go a little bit higher, and then I'm just going to kind of bring it down. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and go right to here. Then right here, I'm just going to color in a little circle for the eye. And that's all there is to it. There is your drawing of a marshmallow peep. Now there's lots of different ways you guys can color this in. They come in yellow and pink and blue and all sorts of colors. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.